Alright, we're going to be threading the barrel on this Ted Williams 101 20 gauge. We've already installed our sight and cut it down. Now, just got to ream it out. Got our custom made bushing and our reamer. Alright, first step is to start reaming it out to the dimensions where we can get our choke tap in there. It's going to be an invector. I've already got a lot of cutting oil on here. Just get started. Feels good.
A little cleaner than that 12. Yeah, this one's not as dull as that old.
First start out with a couple of turns. Now we'll go ahead and stop, clean our chips. Alright, every so often, every couple of turns, we're going to have to clear the chips. Otherwise, it'll start to pack in there and intrude on our cutting surfaces. Cutting oil. Lots of cutting oil. And repeat. Alright, normally we would stop at this face right here, just short of it, but because we don't have a perfect face, we're actually going to use the part of this reamer here to actually face off and get a perfect face on our shotgun barrel. Alright, now we're at our face. I'm just going to run just a little bit more, and that's good. Alright, now let's pull it, run a thread tap into it. Alright, now we're getting ready to cut our threads. I've already soaked this thing in penetrating oil. Get some in our barrel. Apply moderate pressure as we begin to cut. And what you're going to do is feel for it to cut. If you feel anything weird, stop and back up. And every turn or two, go backwards to break off the chip. We'll run it in about 1/3 way, and then pull it out, clear chips, and do it again. Alright, now we've already gone 1/3 of the way, pulled it out, and we've already cleaned our chips and put cutting oil in our barrel and on our reamer. Now when you put it back in to go for your second pass, it should be easy enough to turn with your finger as it goes back in to the original threads that you just cut. If it grabs as soon as you put it back in, back it out immediately, because it is possible to cut two separate threads into your barrel. But now we hit where we stopped before. Now we're going to continue till we hit this black mark right here. Alright, we've hit our line on our reamer. We're going to back it out, blow out all our chips, and screw in our choke.
Oh my goodness.
Are you saying it's going to work?
I am saying it's going to work. Let me see that air hose. All right. And that is threading a barrel for chokes. There we go. Pretty. All right, because we had to face this thing and we've got shiny sides showing, gonna heat it up and hit it with some cold blue. And there we go. Looks good. And that is one completed choke threading.